Do you want to know how you can log into your videa.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your videa.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for videa.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Videa Health. You can see login over here on the top right hand corner. Click on it and it will take you to the official login portal of videahealth.io. And you can see that you can write down your username over here. So write down your username, click next, and then write down the password. After you write down your username and password, go ahead and click sign in. This way, you can successfully sign in to your videa.ai account. If you want your browser to remember you, go ahead and click on this box over here. In case you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you to reset your password. I hope this video about how you can log in or sign in to your videa.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.